Today I'm going to show you how to create a neon lights effect in Photoshop. First, select the triangle tool and create the triangle. Click the fill color and choose the no color. And the stroke, choose the white color. Set the shape stroke to 20 pixels. Go to the layer panel. Go to the filter and choose the convert for smart filters. Press Ctrl T to select the free transform tool and right-click, choose the vertical. And just follow this process. Hit enter or return on your keyboard. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select inner glow. Click the color picker and choose the white color. And just copy these settings. Select the color overlay. Click the color picker and choose the bright pink color. And just copy these settings. Select outer glow. Click the color picker and choose the neon pink color. And just copy these settings. Select drop shadow. Click the color picker and choose the neon pink color. And just copy these settings. And click OK. Create a new layer. Click the foreground color and choose the color pink. Select the brush tool and choose the soft round brush. Click the brush picker and set the brush size to 500 pixels. And the opacity 100%, flow 100%. Select the pen tool. And create a path. Right-click inside the triangle and choose the stroke path. Make sure the brush tool is chosen. And click OK. Right-click and choose the delete path. Change the blend mode of the layer 1 to linear dodge. And reduce the fill to 30%. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl G to group several layers into a folder group. Select the background layer. Go to Select and choose the subject. Inverse selection, go to Select and choose the inverse. Select the group layer. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Click the foreground color and make sure color is white. And click OK. Select the brush tool and choose the soft round brush. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. And paint these areas. Click on the adjustment layer icon and the choose hue and saturation. And check the colorize box. Drag the saturation slider to 100 and hue to 311. Go to the layer panel. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold down Alt to split the black slider. And click OK. Create a new layer. Click the foreground color and choose the pink color. And just follow this process. Change the blend mode of the layer 2 to linear dodge. And reduce the fill to 24%. Select the background layer. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the smoke image. Drag the right and left side handles. Hit Enter or return on your keyboard. Change the blend mode of the smoke layer to screen. Select the background layer. Go to Select and choose the subject. Inverse selection, go to Select and choose the inverse. Select the smoke layer. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Reduce the opacity to 27%. Select the layer 2. Create a new layer. Click the foreground color and choose the blue color. And click OK. Press Alt-Delete to fill it with blue. Change the blend mode of the layer 3 to soft light. Press and hold Alt to drag a copy of layer mask to layer 3. And reduce the opacity to 23%. And this is the result.